Hey there, SAT superstars. Welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we make math simple, fun, and totally understandable. Today, we are diving into a crucial topic for the digital SAT math session solving equations. Are you ready to boost your SAT score and tackle those tricky equation problems with confidence? Whether it's a linear equations, quadratic equations, or systems of equations, we have got you covered. For each of these topics, I'm going to create a new playlist. Make sure to follow and practice in those videos. You can just pause the videos and solve the questions by yourself. And I will provide for each topics at least 25 questions for you to practice enough before the SAT test. So in this question, we have 4x plus 6 is equal to 18. Which equation has the same solution as the given equation you're being asked? So technically, they don't want you to solve completely. They want you to solve with some part of it. And in the choice A is given as 4x equals to 108. Choice B, we have 4x equals 24. And the choice C, we have 4x equals 12. And the choice D is given 4x equals 3. So this is a pretty simple question for most of you, I know, but in the especially module 1, the startup questions are easy as easy as these questions. So 4x plus 6 is 18, so we're just going to isolate 4x because in the choices they isolated the 4x. Take away 6 from both sides, these are gone. Then 4x will be equal to 12. So the right choice for the specific question is C. Thank you for watching the video. I wish you good luck on your tests. Have a good one. Bye-bye.